You have it? Well, you still have it.
Welcome back. You don't have your mask?
Nah, it's okay.
You alright? Okay.
It's alright.
I have your consent.
It'll all be part of my story in the end.
Okay. That's a big order. Oh, yeah, nice of them to add that. Bring it all up. Biggest order we got this week. One whole pallet. It's got to weigh at least 500 pounds. Let me go print out the order associated with this large shipment. Wow, you broke it down pretty quick.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's always a little easier when it's just like a few items and it's just high quantities of each.
Yeah.
It makes it a little more streamlined.
Same models, large quantities make our lives much easier. Oh, these are all contract toners.
I noticed we got some XCs as well. So what I do is keep them separate. And this whole section is all the same kind.
Yeah.
Which I'll double check at the end, of course, as well.
This looks like it came from a liquidation company in Florida. Yeah. But judging by the shipping labels on these toners were originally from a big Fortune 500 company. Breaking it down. Alright, so what are on these shelves compared to the ones on the ground?
It's just a matter of just trying to give myself some space so that way I know like where all the different kind of items are. So I try to keep them separate like that at first. These eventually will get put on a rack and stocked
Yeah.
to their rightful locations based off the condition and the item number and things like that. Yeah. Now, it's just a matter of like breaking everything down first, and then once that's all broken down and I count everything up, I then consolidate it and put it together for transition to another location. Once it's received, that is.
That's efficient.
So these items, I just try to give everything a quick scan. With the contract toners, it's very more apparent and it's very easy to know right off the fly which is an A and which is a B.
Yeah.
Most of the time, it's just by marker rating on the contracts, that is. But with the original boxes like these, even if it has some marker rating, it doesn't necessarily make it a B condition. It can still be an A condition. Luckily, we have a kind of chemical that takes this off. So, yeah, just give it a quick scan, and then if I see something like that, and we can remove these labels, it's still an A condition. Just put it to the side.
Cool.
Same kind of idea. Everything seems to be good. That's all removables.
Yeah, so this matte white box, once the writing's on it, it's hard to clean off. But the writing on these glossy black and white HP boxes are a lot easier to clean. It just needs some goof off or nail polish remover, and this comes right off.
Look at all sides, especially when you have high quantities, because this, again, I just do like my little scan.
Yeah.
And uh-oh, that's B condition
What?
now. You can't have punctures like that.
Oh man.
So what I do is the same system. I just kind of put them together, but I put this one sideways, make its own little section now. There's only a few left, so it's only a matter of a couple more. But now I know that's a B out of all these A's.
That's hard to determine whether that damage is from shipping or it was originally there.
And if they have this kind of adhesive, again, especially on white boxes, it's a big no-no right off the bat, so we know it's a B condition.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because if we remove these, these can be removed, but from white boxes, A, it's harder, and B, no pun intended, it's probably going to tear it and make it a B. So,
Yeah, definitely. I
yeah.
don't know what it is, but the extra sticky residue remains on the boxes. Makes it impossible
Yeah.
to clean.
These can be removed, but again, it's most likely going to leave a kind of adhesive, kind of a residue on it, on the white boxes specifically.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's a little bit of a loss there.
That's why I hate matte white boxes.
Yeah. When it's littered with labels like this,
Damages.
I almost
Yeah.
kind of feel like I want to make it a B. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 4 chances of it leaving some kind of a residue on it. This procedure is pretty simple. Now that everything's broken down and it's moved in its rightful spaces where everything's supposed to be, I can just go off of the PO now and refer off of this and make my adjustments off of whatever's A condition, B condition, and by the quantities and such. You see 390 JCs, I just look for it on the order. I actually try to go by the list, so let's actually go by the list. So we'll start with the first one. We have CE265A, and that's the condition. They're all supposed to be A conditions, and it's 31. So, pretty simple. I'm just gonna count all these items.
5 minutes later.
Let's go process the order.
It was originally 5,117,
Yeah.
and the CE505AC adjusted 5,107.
5,107.
Yeah.
As opposed to, what was the original amount before?
5,117, so that's right. It's just down to 7.
Oh, okay, so just off by $10. Okay, cool. Thank you. Hey, this is James from Toner Connect. Can I speak to David?
Hey James, how you doing?
Hey, Dave, I'm doing very well. And yourself?
You supposed to check in. Everything good? I was checking. I sent you an email because I was checking, but I looked you get the package just today.
Yeah, so Central Transport, the freight company, actually dropped it off today.
I
we
saw that.
Yeah, we received it this morning. I'm sorry I missed your call. We were in the process of getting your orders checked in. Everything's good to go. We got the pallet. We broke it down. Everything seems to be in order. Everything's here. There's just one difference, one discrepancy.
Yes.
One of the CE505As, which was originally on the list, it was actually a CE505AC, a contract toner. So that one would be $10 cheaper.
Okay.
So,
All right.
okay, so the original total was 5,117. The new final value is actually $5,107.
Okay. Okay, perfect. So when you guys gonna be selling the payment to sell, right?
Yeah, so since we inspected it, got everything done before 3 o'clock today, we'll send you the payment by Zelle. Since now we discussed that there's a $5,000 deal limit for Zelle, so we'll send you 5,000 right today, and then I'll send you the 107 tomorrow.
Okay, perfect. So let me ask you something. You will send me an email to confirm you guys made the sum?
Yeah, you'll receive an email notification informing you that we sent the payment.
Okay, because I want to be sure because that account is the account so I don't get message you guys to make the payment. So that's why I want to know if you will be able to send me an email when you guys send the payment to American.
Yeah, no problem. I'll do you one better. After I send you the payment, I'll give you a call. How's that?
Okay, well, whatever you want, easy for you. You want to call me, if you want to send me an email, the best for you.
Oh, no problem. I'll give you a call. It's easy both ways.
Yeah, I'm working out to be there on next week.
Right, we don't take the generics or the compatibles. Okay. Well,
I'll let you know when I get.
in this industry, we don't buy remanufactured or compatibles. I don't know any company that does. It's mainly just OEM. But to make it easier, this is my cell phone number. So when you get there, if you have a question, just text me or send me a picture of the toners, and I can tell you right off the bat if we can take it out.
This is your direct number, your cell phone.
Yes, sir. That's it.
Oh, okay, yeah. So I'm gonna be saving your number. So if I take the pictures, video, so you let me know.
Yeah, perfect. Hopefully that makes it more convenient.
Oh, nice to meet you. Nice to talk to you.
Yeah, nice.
For your call, okay?
Yeah, man. Anytime. Let me know if you have any other questions.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Have a good day.
You too now. Bye.
I saved some labels in case you want to capture that.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Great labels on everything. Sweet. UPS dropped off. Nice. Hey, UPS. What's up, man? Got a lot?
Right there, I like separate.
Oh, okay. Not a lot today. Just big boxes. Some customers listen. They bought boxes from Home Depot. Nice. They're so much cheaper than UPS boxes. Is that it? Yeah. All right. Thank you. Well, my work here is done today. Just kidding. Go back and get some orders in.